rays just cutting up through the clouds.
And diner, like late night eatery, and yeah, I haven't been here in a year, so I'm really excited. And Nate just went to go wash his hands. This is actually good. I wonder if it would be better than ginger ale, like when you have a sore stomach. Yummy. Video? Yes. Okay. Nate's like, why do you have to film everything? I'm like, cuz.
That's funny. I was just telling him
what
about,
I do.
I was just telling him
I film everything.
How you filmed Whole Foods. Oh my finger.
Hi. It's very windy today. I don't know if today is the kind of day that we want to go sailing on, but that's what we're doing. Ready, Lace?
Yeah, of course.
You're born ready.
Is there taking us away anywhere? What? Is there any risk of a current taking us anywhere? No. Okay.
You know, from this angle, these hills kind of look like boobs. So cool.
Professional. Like a strike. It's like the Marines. Oh, just. Anyone else get hit?
I'm the only one. What's the deal? Made it off the boat safely. You, I think it's safe to say that. Oh yeah. He when he jumps, he tends to be like right at the junk.
Oh really?
Yeah. 6.5.
Really?
I'm glad you're here. Sit. 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 That's not sitting. That's sitting. No? Shh. Go. Get it.
You're such a bore. You used to be so complicated.
Maxey, go get the stick. Go for it.
I used to kiss you in the dark. In the park.
Good boy, bear.
Wanting the company of ladies. So tonight, leave your boyfriend at home.
I'm starting hella late on Monday the 1st. I'm cooking lentil soup There are the lentils simmering. Smells good. I think I might have used too much soup seasoning. I am holding a sweet potato. It's a Japanese sweet potato. And I am cutting them there. And I gotta peel the ginger, cut that up, and in the background, I'm watching The Voice. Someone who I didn't like made it through, and two of my favorites did not make it through. So I have to watch live tonight so that I can vote and hopefully make sure. Oh, it's a sign if he's been in the bottom 3. It's a sign. These are Japanese sweet potatoes, and these are very common that we have here in Hawaii, and they're a little bit sweeter than normal. So we're doing sweet potato, garlic, ginger, regular russet potatoes, brown lentils. You can also put carrots and celery in here, but I just wanted to keep it simple. Okay, so we're gonna let that simmer for 20 minutes. Then we're gonna throw it in the Ninja of the kitchen, the Vitamix, and puree the ish out of this guy. You ready to go to school? You wanna go for a ride? Not a good angle for me. Shitty chin chin. Ugh, girl, that ain't right. My part-time gig, I work for my husband as an independent contractor right now, doing quality assurance on websites that he and his corporation build, and it's actually kind of fun. He likes to joke that we're playing to like my critical side, because I like to criticize stuff a lot apparently, but I am basically looking for bugs and putting my critical eye towards finding mistakes or errors and then logging them so that they can fix them. So it's a lot of fun actually. Well, things went well at the unemployment office, and then I started work this week for the Hus, and hopefully that's going to continue until the holidays. 3 new videos up on my new YouTube channel, which is this one, which you're watching right now, but I used to have an older YouTube channel that had about 40 videos on, but I thought it's time for a new start. So I'm gonna go back to work now. Baby, look, a rainbow! Hey. Baby, hump day, and I am working from home today because it's insanely wintry outside. Wintry for Hawaii. It's probably in the 60s, which for us is insanely cold. Eating a breakfast burrito that the husband made, having my morning tea, watching Essie Button. I have to get to work doing some HTML tutorials, training course of trying to get some technical skills so that I can have a future in technology, and I'm also playing video games. Final Fantasy, what? Are you an inquisitive little bear? Do you want your cookie? Look at that face. Shake this hand. Oh, good boy. Good boy. I love how it drops to the floor. Lie down. Sit. Up high. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, good boy. Ooh, peanut butter. Come on. You love peanut butter. So cute.
guys. I hope you like it.